Hi, it's Matthew Posselt here from Elite Finance Australia, also known as Perth's first home buyer coach. Now, today I'd like to talk about a couple of topics in regards to the Royal Commission and the recommendations that were handed down by Kenneth Hayne. Now, an important note is that these are still just recommendations. Now, the first topic I want to talk about is, do I charge a fee for service? The second topic, what a 3% increase in interest rates would mean to you. The third topic, what if you don't have access to credit? Now, I don't charge a fee for service. I never have, and I never plan on charging it as long as I can. So even if it's first home buyer related coaching help or as a finance broker for a home loan, I do not charge a fee. The second point is in regards to a 3% increase in interest rates and what does it mean to you? Now, with brokers being competitive and in the industry now for about 30 years, we have brought so much competition that has enabled the banks to bring down their interest rates and their profit margins by about 3%. Yes, that's 3%. So directly related to you, if you had a $400,000 mortgage and you're currently paying 4%, this would be a repayment of about $1,910 per month. Now, if we didn't have brokers in the competition and you still had to pay the extra 3%, if you had a $400,000 loan and you're paying 7% for that same mortgage, your payments would be $2,661 a month. That is a massive $751 per month extra for the same home loan. Now, could you imagine if you didn't have that money anymore? Less family holidays, less presents, less going out spending money, less shopping. It's massive. If you didn't have that $751 per month, what would you be doing? So I really want to bring that as a major topic about the competition that finance brokers bring for you. Now, even if you work in a bank, if you don't like brokers for whatever reason, if you're just not sure on what a finance broker does or how they do anything for competition, it really doesn't matter. Just the fact that we've been around and in the industry for over 30 years, you now also get these savings. So the greater Australian public wins from having competition and finance brokers available. Now, the third topic, what if you don't have access to credit? So this is a major thing. So there's 27,000 people in the industry at the moment that are around finance and lenders that would be wiped out if there was a fee for service and some of the other recommendations went through. So it's very important that we all keep fighting and keep battling to make sure that we can keep competition alive and keep finance brokers in the industry. Now, 27,000 jobs, a lot of those are small businesses just like myself, small family businesses who are just trying to make a living and trying to help the Australian public. So if we didn't have that and we got wiped out, approximately two-thirds of lenders would be gone. That's a massive amount of choice gone. So as a broker, I currently have 30 lenders available and up to 2,500 products. So there's plenty of competition, plenty of choice and plenty of options available. If this went and there was two-thirds less, you could imagine what would happen. The interest rates would more than likely go up, fees would go up, and a lot of other smaller lenders would close, giving you less access to get personal loans, home loans and any other finance. Not to mention, if there wasn't brokers around, you'd probably have to be going door hopping from door to door to bank, trying to do your own application and trying to get approved. Now, if you didn't know the bank policy, you could be getting declined every time. What that means is you'll be destroying your credit file. And the more you destroy your credit file, the worse it gets, the less chance you'll get approved the next time you apply for credit. So it's very important to keep brokers and to keep competition alive so that you've got option and access to lenders and finance in the future. Now, at the moment, it's looking really positive. It's looking like the Liberals and the Labor Party have both agreed that the fee for service is not a good model. Now, in regards to that, there's also been lots and lots of broker remunerations done and very comprehensive ones by industry bodies and government. And this has all been done in the last couple of years. Now, all these reviews that have been done basically come back saying that the broker remuneration model is not broken, there's no need to fix it. They've also even suggested that a fee-for-service model doesn't work. So when Kenneth Hayne brought in the recommendations, for a fee for service and some of the other things, it was very amusing to me and most of the industry. We were absolutely puzzled. So at least there's enough information going and enough support now to see through some of these recommendations, and for them now to not be looking like the governments will proceed with them. With all the support from industry bodies, from the public, from brokers and the industry, it's looking very positive now. So I'm really proud about that. Everyone's doing a great job. We've got to keep fighting, and at this stage it looks like the Liberals are understanding a little bit more about the importance of brokers and competition in the market. So please show your support. It's not over yet. We need to keep fighting and keep getting the message out there. Now, I hope this has been very informative to you, the Australian public, and you understand now a little bit more about what finance brokers do, the competition we bring, and we don't charge a fee for service. So it'd be great if you can come and see me, reach out. If you could please share this with friends, family and colleagues, and let's get the message out there. Thank you.